We're at Sinclair,
With our borders opening recently, it's time to show you our beautiful country.
starting with KwaZulu-Natal.
Welcome to the trailer. Oh my gosh! That was one of the best things we've ever done. We're doing snorkeling! I love the people in South Africa. They are the best. It was after I went to South Africa that I became what I am now, Mahatma Gandhi.
I love your spirit. Give a shade.
I have come to report, Mr. President, that South Africa is now free. Nelson Mandela. Ngiyabonga. The purpose of this video and the vlogs to follow is to help boost tourism in South Africa.
We work together with Tourism KZN to show you some of the best parts of one of our 9 provinces here in South Africa.
If you are a South African, we would highly appreciate it if you shared these videos. Our local businesses have been severely impacted during this pandemic.
And we need to do our part to help out. Every like, share and comment truly makes a difference. So please go ahead and do that now.
Ngiyabonga
Dankie and
And
thank
thank you.
you.